Dear learner, I welcome you all to this online teaching session. Today we will discuss about dissolution test apparatus 5, 6 and 7. On completion of this lecture, you will be able to explain details of paddle over disc dissolution apparatus, will be able to explain details of rotating cylinder dissolution apparatus, and will be able to explain about reciprocating holder dissolution apparatus. These are the various applications for this apparatus 5, 6 and 7. Apparatus 5 is useful for transdermal formulation. 6 is useful again for transdermal formulations. Apparatus 7 is useful for transdermal formulations as well as control release formulations. Now let us discuss about apparatus 5. Apparatus 5 is same as that of your USP apparatus 2. So it is paddle and vessel assembly is same as your USP apparatus 2, but here there is an addition that stainless steel disc assembly is designed for holding the transdermal system and it is placed at the bottom of the vessel. If as per this image you can see that there is a paddle and there is a disc below this paddle, and paddle is rotating, and the disc will be holding the transdermal system and it is placed below paddle. Water bath temperature is maintained as 37 degree plus or minus 0.5 degree centigrade. The distance between the paddle and disc is 25 plus or minus 2 millimeter. The vessel may be covered during the test to minimize the evaporation. The disc assembly for the holding of transdermal system is designed to minimize the dead volume between disc assembly and bottom of the vessel. So there will be a minimum dead volume between the disc and bottom of the vessel. The disc assembly holds the system flat and is positioned such a way that the release surface is parallel with the bottom of the paddle blade. This is the schematic diagram for a paddle over disc dissolution apparatus. These are the dimensions for disc. Disc is 41.2 millimeter in diameter and thickness is 3.3 millimeter of the disc, and the distance between paddle and disc is 25 millimeter plus or minus 2 millimeter, and rest of the dimensions of paddle is same as apparatus 2. Procedure for paddle over disc, the procedure will be the dissolution medium is placed and the water bath is equilibrated at 37 degree plus or minus 0.5 degree centigrade. Then apply the transdermal system to the disc assembly. Place the assembly in such a way so that the releasing surface is facing up. Then immediately the apparatus is operated, and withdraw the sample at specified time interval between the surface of dissolution medium and top of the blade not less than 1 centimeter from the vessel wall. So while withdrawal of the sample, you have to take care that the sample is withdrawn not less than 1 centimeter from vessel wall. Time, the test time points, generally 3, are expressed in hours. Sample is withdrawn within a tolerance of plus or minus 15 minutes and plus or minus 2%. Next apparatus, that is apparatus 6, is rotating cylinder apparatus. The design is modification of Basquez apparatus, that is USP apparatus 1. So rotating cylinder apparatus is same as your USP apparatus 1, that is basket, but the difference is that the basket is being replaced by stainless steel cylinder. So you can see here in the image the basket has been replaced by rotating cylinder. So in apparatus 6, instead of basket you will have rotating cylinder. Again, the distance between this rotating cylinder and bottom of the vessel is maintained at 25 plus or minus 2 millimeter. The sample is again usually a transdermal delivery system attached to the outer side of the cylinder. It is useful for dissolution studies of large patches. This is the schematic diagram for rotating cylinder apparatus with all the dimensions in detail. Now coming to procedure, place the stated volume of dissolution medium and equilibrate the bath at 37 degree plus or minus 0.5 degree centigrade. Remove the protective layer from the system, that is transdermal patch, and place the adhesive on the piece of Coprophan. Coprophan is nothing but cellulose membrane that is not less than 1 centimeter larger than the system. Place the system Coprophan covered side down on clean surface and apply a suitable adhesive to expose Coprophan borders. Procedure. Now you have to apply adhesive coated side of the system to the exterior of the cylinder such that the long axis of the system fits out around the circumference of the cylinder. So you have to fix the system in such a way that long axis of the system fits around the circumference of the cylinder. Now place the cylinder in apparatus and rotate at specified rate. Withdraw the sample at specified time interval between the surface of dissolution medium and top of the rotating cylinder, not less than 1 centimeter from the vessel wall. Next is apparatus 7, that is reciprocating holder. The design of apparatus 7 is volumetrically calibrated or TAD solution containers are made of glass or other suitable inert material. So you have either a glass or a container of other suitable inert material, and they are volumetrically calibrated. There will be motor and drive assembly to reciprocate the system vertically and to index the system horizontally to different row of vessels automatically if it is required. Dissolution medium will be used as per it is specified in individual monograph. Now preparation of various samples. Sample A preparation, that is for coated tablet drug delivery system. Attach each system to be tested to a suitable sample holder by gluing, placing into small nylon bag or metal coil. So depending upon type of your dosage form, you have to use the holder. Now sample preparation B for transdermal drug delivery system. Attach the system to a suitable size sample holder with a suitable O-ring. Now sample preparation C for other drug delivery system. Attach the system to be tested to suitable sample holder as it is given in monograph or as specified in monograph. Procedure. Suspend the sample holder from a vertically reciprocating shaker that each system is continuously immersed in an accurately measured volume of the dissolution medium. So a sample holder is suspended vertically in a vertically reciprocating shaker in such a way that system is continuously immersed in accurately measured volume of dissolution medium. and it is reciprocated at frequency of about 30 cycles per minute with amplitude of about 2 centimeter. This is schematic diagram for reciprocating disc holder with various detailed dimension. Next is transdermal system holder for cylinder. Next is oral extended release tablet holder rod pointed for gluing. Next is transdermal system holder, that is angle disc. Next is oral extended release tablet holder rod pointed for gluing. And these are the references which are used for preparation of this presentation. I thank you all for patiently listening. Have a good day.